So namaste friends, welcome on Sanskari Tech with another SEO friendly tour video. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can make your WordPress website title tag SEO friendly. So as you know, the main thing in the Google search engine, that is your title tag. If you don't have a right kinds of title tag with SEO friendly keywords, it's going to make really hard to, almost impossible, your robot to find your website out so on the top result. So as you know, WordPress default is not come with SEO friendly title. So I have just founded some codes online which is going to make your title tag SEO friendly. So it's going to work on tag page, category page, search for pages, and home pages, error pages, and also single pages. So you have to just do that. You just copy the code and paste on your header section. It's title tag. You can replace with that also. So I'm just going to show you how you can do that. So just copy the code. I'm just going to show you. And copy. Go to your website themes. So in my case, I have I'm logging in my cPanel. Just file manager. File manager, public FTP. Then where is my website? Sanskari Tech. Content, themes, SAM. So go on header.php where the title tags are listed. So as you can see, this is my title tag. I already using this trick to make my website SEO friendly. You can also do that, and you can, if you have already title tag, you can just select it and delete it and then paste the new code, or you can replace with the new code and just save it. As you can see, let me give you some space so you can understand. So as you can see, this is the my SEO friendly title tag. So I'm just going to save this. Once it's done, log into your account, and if you are using some caches plugin, you should delete caches files. So the new page is going to appear with SEO friendly title. So I'm just going to do that. Go on caches plugin. I'm using WP Super caches plugin. It's a great plugin. You should also try this. Highly recommend. And now delete caches. Now if I click on some post, as you can see, the title is how to disable. Let me show you on the source code. So where is your title? So as you can see, here's the title, just about the head tag. So in this title, what is saying? How to disable default jQuery on WordPress and using CDN1 dash Sanskari Tech. So now my website is SEO friendly. If someone search my pages, then how is going to do this? In the pages, see, search for new, then Sanskari Tech. So it's really great. Thanks for watching. It's going to make your website SEO friendly, and this article is on description area. You can just open this link and you can copy the code. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe. If you have any question, you can ask me.